In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter estimated taxes on TurboTax. If you've made quarterly estimated tax payments during the year, it's important to enter them correctly so TurboTax can calculate your return accurately. This helps make sure you get proper credit for what you've already paid and can reduce the chance of errors in your tax filing. To get started, sign into TurboTax and look toward the top of the screen for the deductions and credits section. Move your cursor over that option to open it up. This is where TurboTax organizes many of the entries related to tax breaks, payments, and other adjustments, so it's the right place to begin. Once you're there, click on Deductions and Credit Summary. This takes you to the main overview page for that area, where you can review and update different categories connected to your return. If you're already working through other deduction sections, don't worry. You can still jump directly into the part you need from this summary page. Next, find and click on Estimates and Other Taxes Paid. This section is specifically used for entering tax payments you made outside of regular withholding, including quarterly estimated payments. If you paid taxes throughout the year on your own, this is the section TurboTax uses to record those amounts. After that, go to Estimated Tax Payments and click Revisit. The Revisit button lets you open the section again and make changes, even if you've looked at it before. This is especially helpful if you're updating numbers, correcting a payment amount, or adding information you didn't enter earlier. Now, you'll be able to edit your estimated tax payments by quarter. You can enter or update the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter payment details. For each one, make sure the payment date and amount match your records. It's a good idea to use your bank statements, payment confirmations, or IRS payment history so the information is accurate. Take your time here, because even a small difference in date or amount can affect how TurboTax applies the payment. If you made a payment late or on a different date than expected, enter the actual date you paid it. That helps keep your return as accurate as possible. Once you've finished updating each quarter, review everything carefully before moving on. And that's how to enter estimated taxes on TurboTax.